Hello viewers, in this video I will show how to solve Messenger generate music sticker option not showing problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to Play Store or open on Play Store. Click on search bar and search Messenger. Update Messenger app if available. Tap on hold Messenger. Click on app info. Tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear storage. Tap on delete. Now go to Messenger. Generate music sticker option showing on Messenger. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.